This is glossy. Hey, what's up guys? Welcome to another episode of Pan the Organizer. So today I'm super excited because I finally got to test pretty much the entire lineup of the new WOWO'S detailing products. And when I say new, well, it's because WOWO'S, yes, has existed for a few years in Great Britain, in the UK, but about a year and a half ago, the rag company from USA decided to partner up with WOWO'S and they revamped their entire lineup of detailing products. So Levi and Anthony, two resident detailers that you guys probably know from the rag company, sat down with the owner of WOWO'S and they came out with this refreshed lineup. And today I'll be more specifically talking about and presenting their Showstopper, or what I call liquid gloss in a bottle. Guys, if you want to add gloss to your paintwork, look no further. Of course, you're going to see it in action as well, and I'll be talking about the products. So without further ado, stay tuned. Let's go ahead and start the show. So hey guys, I'm Pan, welcome to the show. I hope you guys are having a great day, so let's dig right into it. We'll be talking about WOWO'S detailing products. I know you guys have been asking me to review their new lineup of products for a little while now, but before we go ahead and do that, make sure, if it's not already done, click the subscribe button that's found under this video, and that way you'll subscribe to my channel and never miss my future videos, so you'll continue to learn more about car detailing, so products, equipment, tips, tricks, and techniques. Also, follow me on my Instagram page, lots of previews and cool things on that page as well. And well, if you want to rock my merch, don't forget, look the links in the description under the video for my merch store, because I have tons of hoodies, different t-shirts, colors, makes, sizes, you guys name it, it's all there in the description. So, WOWO'S Detailing, well, it's a brand that existed in the UK, so it's been a few years now that they're on the market. And so the rag company out of USA recently decided to get involved in the business and revamp pretty much the entire lineup of WOWO'S detailing products to step it up a notch. And by the way, guys, don't forget, I'll include the links to all these wonderful products in the description under the video for you guys to check them out. So just sit back, relax, and enjoy the show. So what they did essentially, well, Levi and Anthony, two great resident detailers over at the rag company, sat down with the owner and CEO and chemist for these WOWO'S detailing products, and they essentially, well, checked out what was working, what wasn't working, how they could improve on the formulas. And well, I personally have been on trips with Levi and Anthony, and I know how enthused they are and how involved they were with this company. They poured their hearts and souls into this business, and I think they came out with a lineup that's pretty stout. So although I wasn't paid for this video, the rag company decided to send me these products for me to test out. So thank you guys. The rag company has been involved with my channel from almost the beginning. They always believed in Pan the Organizer, and here we are today. So I'm super enthused. So more specifically, I wanted to give you guys a glimpse of Showstopper. Essentially, this is a gloss enhancing formula, so it's not a paint protectant. There's no paint protection qualities in this. This will last pretty much 1 day to 2 days at most, but what this does is that it gives crazy amounts of gloss to the paint, guys. This is as easy as a spray on and wipe off formula. You can apply this on top of existing waxes, paint sealants, and ceramic coatings. It will not mask your coatings properties, so that's one good thing, because a lot of spray on paint protectants, they're going to modify the properties of your existing coating underneath, so this does not do that. What it does is adds tons of gloss, and it also enriches the color. I don't know how they do that, what's the formulation in there, of course it's a trade secret, I'm pretty sure, but it enhances whatever it's put on. So for example, if you have a red car, it makes that red look even crazier. On my own BMW, which you're going to see in a few minutes now, it made that paint look richer and deeper. I mean, this is absolutely glossy. So you have a night around and about the town with your friends, or you're at a car show, or you're in a museum, or you're getting your vehicle exposed, whatever the case may be. If you want to add some gloss, well, go ahead. So typically what people will do, you have a clean vehicle, of course, that you washed and prepped and dried at your house before you go to the show. Once you arrive over there, if there's any light dust on the surface, what you can do is either use a quick detailer, and WOWO'S has their own quick detail spray, or if it's a bit dirtier, you can use their waterless wash, which has, of course, encapsulating technology to safely lift those dirt or dust from the paint. So you're gonna make your paint clean, and after that, once your paint is clean and dry, you're going to spray Showstopper directly on the panel. You're gonna take your microfiber towel, work it in, flip it over to a clean and dry side, and buff off. Application can be any easier. This not only smells good, but again, guys, this is called Showstopper for a reason. It will stop the show. The gloss is absolutely insane. It adds awesome slickness to the paint as well, but it does not mask the properties of whatever is underneath. So you can use this as a standalone on paint that basically has nothing on it, so a virgin clear coat, or you can apply this as a topper if you want to put it that way, on top of waxes, paint sealants, or existing ceramic coatings to boost that shine and gloss. Let's check out the final results with WOWO'S Detailing Showstopper. So look at the gloss, look at the reflection. This looks wet, guys. Total mirror finish in a matter of seconds. Look at this, it's crazy. So let's go around the vehicle to show you guys what I'm talking about. I mean, look at all the reflection and the depth of the gloss. The color is just nuts. Again, look at this side shot here. And the paint is so slick to the touch. But look at this. Look at this. Whew. I love getting excited about awesome detailing products. Again, let's have a look here. Wow. More close up. Look at all the reflection that we're getting on those side panels. This is just nuts. The bluestone metallic paint just pops now. Imagine this on a black car. Yeah, it looks like it's wet. Absolutely stunning results. Again, this is insane. I don't even know how they formulated this, guys. It's a unique product, at least to my knowledge, that has this kind of gloss and does not mask properties. So that's pretty awesome. Again though, durability, this is not its thing. It will last 1 to 2 days at most. So the peak is when you use it immediately. So you get to that show, spray this on, buff it off, and you're good to go. You're gonna see crazy levels of gloss. So what I did also before I applied this on my car, it's pretty simple. So I went ahead and used their Detailer's shampoo. So this is WOWO'S Detailer shampoo. This has no additives inside. This is a pure pH neutral shampoo. This is as pure as it gets. So it's basically a high quality car shampoo. Lots of suds. You can use this in a foam cannon as well as part of the pre-wash if you want to. 1 or 2 ounces in your wash bucket, fill it up with water, and you get a nice soapy solution. Lots of lubrication for the surface. And like pretty much all their products, it smells amazing. So I know they put a lot of time and effort into these labels. They kind of look vintage, old school, which matches the Rab company's vibe. And I mean, well, their entire lineup is just very well made. They thought about everything, including the scent of the products. I know a lot of my viewers, including myself, we appreciate that because when you're detailing your vehicle, it's an experience. And part of that experience is the smell of the chemicals. So they have a bunch of other products in the lineup that you guys can go ahead and check out. Again, I'll leave the links in the description under the video for you guys to check them out. But they have stuff like an all-purpose cleaner, an interior cleaner, the crystal sealant. This one here is another super high quality paint protectant. It can be applied on pretty much all exterior surfaces. This is going to give you many months of protection. Super easy to apply. So crystal sealant, another top product from their lineup. They have a quick detailer, a waterless wash, a fallout remover. So iron fallout remover that actually doesn't smell bad. So this one here is a very, very good one. Sorry about the bottles falling. What fell down here? Okay. So we have the clean wheels. So a wheel cleaner. We have the tire restorer, so this is a tire dressing. We have the interior finisher, so great for that OEM matte look. Inside we have a glass cleaner, they have the leather cleaner and leather cream or leather conditioner. They have a few waxes like the mellow wax, so this is a traditional paste wax that will give you gloss and a lot of beading. And they have another popular one that you guys also might want to see in a future review. It's called the Contact 121 because it has a 121 degree water contact angle. So this, by the way, what does that mean? Well, typically ceramic coatings which have some of the highest water contact angles are typically around the 110 degree mark. So this one here, well, they tested this at 121 degrees. So you can imagine at how fast the water sheets off the vehicle. Again, in a nice traditional paste wax form. So a lot of my viewers love to just take the time and apply a traditional style wax. So this is one of them. And the two products that we spoke about today, again, the Detailer's shampoo. So this is a pure shampoo, no gloss enhancers, nothing special inside there, just a typical pure shampoo as we like it. So no additives. And we have the Showstopper. This is a pure gloss enhancer, so no protection for this one, but this can be a great combo if you apply a base layer of the crystal sealant and you want a top layer of Showstopper when you get to the show. I mean, this is absolutely crazy. Is there any other one of these products that you guys would like me to do a review of? Let me know in the comment section under the video. Or if you want me to put one of these products against one of their competitors, again, let me know in the comment section under the video. I'll make sure to include the links once again in the description under the video for you guys to check them out. And of course, take a second and click the subscribe button that's found under this video, and that way you'll subscribe to my channel and never miss my future videos. You'll continue to learn more about the car detailing world, so the products, the tips, the tricks, the tools, the equipment, so on and so forth. Follow me on my Instagram page as well. Lots of cool things happen on that page, a lot of cool previews. And well, I want to thank Levi and Anthony and all the crew over at the Rag Company for sending me these products. Again, this video is not paid for, but they did send me these products for me to test out. So a big shout out to Levi, Anthony, and all the crew at the Rag Company. You guys have always supported me, and this is my way of thanking you. And well, guys, as I typically say, don't forget, keep it tight, keep it clean, and I'll see you on the next one.